In this video, we're going to be looking at the topic of substitution. Substitution in maths is the act of replacing a letter with a number. In our question, I've got two letters, A, which has a value of -8, and B, which has a value of 4. So I want to replace A with -8 and B with 4. To look at the problem, I have 7A, which is short for 7 multiplied by A. So 7 times by -8. Add 2 times the value of B, which is 4. Whenever we're evaluating a calculation, make sure that you always use the correct order of operations. 7 times -8 is -56. 2 times 4 is 8, and we're still adding them together. -56 add 8 is -48. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With this question, again, I have two letters, A, which has a value of 1, and B, which has a value of -4. So making the substitution, -3 times 1 add 4 times the value of B, which is -4. And using the order of operations, -3 times 1 is -3. 4 times -4 is -16, and I'm adding these together. So -3 add -16 is -19.